Well, if you're going to Redbud and you're looking to see the number 2, sadly, he's not going to be there. Posting on his Instagram as of today, as I'm reading this, saying, quote, "I'll unfortunately be missing one of my favorite races at Redbud this weekend. I had a practice crash Wednesday that left me pretty banged up." That's it. No what the injury is, no how bad it is or how long he'll be back. And even, if you read any of the news stories, it's just even KTM saying he's just pretty banged up and there's no return time, no nothing. And this comes after the fun news of maybe a signing, but that's a different video. So there's a lot of the stupid rumors of, maybe he's just going to sit out the rest of the year so he can be healthy for that. But who knows? It does suck because he's sitting third in points. He's only, I think, 4 points behind Dylan Ferrandis for second. So obviously Jet Lawrence is running away from this one, but he had a chance for at least a second in this and some good points for SMX. But I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. If you know the rumor I'm talking about, do you think it's real? Or, I mean, it's kind of the least kept secret in the world, but how well do you think, if he does come back, where do you think he'll finish? And I guess, do you think Jet Lawrence just sweeps another one this weekend? But whatever it is, comment down below. You down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.